your husband was Andrew Clements, right?
That's right.
Yeah, and can you tell us about him?
He was a children's book author, and he wrote a lot of, he started with picture books, and then he went into novel children. His famous one is called Frindle.
I think my mom used to read that to me.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very popular. These are some of the books that my
Oh, wow.
husband, Andrew Clements, wrote.
Lunch
Oh,
money.
how special.
So what made him want to get into kids' books?
He was a teacher first.
He was a teacher,
Yeah,
okay.
he taught 4th grade,
Ah.
taught 7th grade, and he taught high school
So he had
English.
passion. He had a lot of
Yes,
passion.
he did love children and teaching.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, I mean, I know these bring a lot of joy to kids everywhere. It's really cool to hear the stories and, you know.
And the nice thing with books is it carries on and everyone can still enjoy them.
Right,
That's right.
right.
That's right.
Well, we hope that what we're doing here can help that live on as
Yes.
well.
Well, we have 4 sons and 2 daughters-in-law, and they just love coming here. So
We'd love to see if your sons would play a song for us. I heard that they're musicians.
one plays guitar and one plays double bass. But the one who plays double bass also plays classical music. And right now, he just called me from Tanglewood. He's playing with the Boston Symphony.
Oh, wow. Oh. So a lot of talent has been passed through your family, I guess. Wow, that's really cool.
It is.
So we're gonna have to make that happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta do a little concert on the dock. That'd
That
be fun.
would be great. They would love that.
Wow, it's moving pretty quickly, huh? I feel like they just started. Yeah, I see it now.
Oh, these poor guys.
Now that's some testosterone. Well, these stairs worked out well, huh? Greta, you can get your feet wet again.
I finally can go in and out pretty easy compared to the canoe.
That's good. We want to check out the end of the dock,
Yes.
see how it's holding up.
Beautiful day.
It's interesting now when we had a dock, we always have fish underneath. So I bet now
they're
that
gonna
we have
come
a
back,
dock,
yeah.
they'll come back.
They will.
Aw.
They'll love it.
I'll bring my fishing pole.
Yeah, that's the way to go. So now we'll just get your family out here. We want to be here to see them
Yeah.
see this, so we'll make sure to come back when that
Please
is.
do.
And,
I want to hear them
Yeah.
play.
Yes.
Maybe they'll do a little concert for us on the dock.
They will.
That would be cool. So, well, good. Well, I'm glad you had us out here. Yeah, thanks for letting us
Thank
hang
you for
out.
letting us come.
Thank you for coming. Very nice.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hi,
Becky.
Becky. We both said it at the same time.
Good to see you again.
Babe, hi Greta. Good
Nice to see you. We're missing one of us. Elena's back at school. She wanted to be here, but we wanted to come out.
Well, welcome.
We knew you were going to be using the dock today,
Yes.
so
Oh, it's a beautiful
thought
day.
we'd take a look and see how it's going.
Well, come look.
All right.
Has it been treating you well so far?
Absolutely, it's a wonderful dog.
I see
Aw.
instruments.
Yeah. Those are my sons.
Oh,
Yeah, we heard you guys were coming, so we thought maybe we'd play you a song or something.
okay. All right. Well, we like a song.
I'm Greta.
Hi, Greta. I'm George.
Nice to
I'm
meet you
Gabe.
both.
Charles, George. We're the
Pleasure.
Clements Brothers.
1, 2, 1, 2. wishing for a change, I wish to see. And I know this change begins and ends in me. This vanity. Oh, waiting on you, waiting for a change to come. I'm still wishing on you, wishing for a change to come. I'm still waiting on you, waiting for a change to come. In Babylon.
Wow.
Wow, that was so amazing, you guys. I could
Yeah,
listen to you
thanks.
play all day.
Thanks so much. Now that we have this amazing dock by Great Northern Docks, it's nice to be able to actually come out here and play music on the water, over the water. It's really special.
Yeah, you guys have a patio right here in the middle. We can all gather around and listen. It's really beautiful.
We've been coming up to Maine ever since we were kids, going to lakes and unplugging, and yeah, it's a a deep place to connect with your roots.
Tell us about your dad. I know he was an author.
Yeah, he was a musician and a writer too. He and my mom wrote a whole album's worth of songs, or more than that. I think they had 50 sonons or something. So we grew up with them singing their songs to us, and then he was always real supportive of us pursuing music.
Yeah.
Whether it be getting us music lessons or he taught me how to play Blackbird when I was like 7 or 8 on the guitar.
Oh, cool.
So it was always really encouraging and showing us everything he knew about music and writing, and so yeah, we were really lucky to have had that encouragement from an early age to pursue the arts.
And he definitely instilled the idea that you need space and time to make art and to be quiet and listen, get inspiration, get ideas. It's
Absolutely.
important part of the recipe of life.
That's right.
Doing what you love, surrounded by people you love, in a place that really supports that connection.
How can people find your music?
We are on Spotify. You just search for the Clements Brothers.
Any streaming platform, we're on there. We have an album called Dandelion Breeze you can check out.
You can find us at just theclementsbrothers.com.
So other people can enjoy it just like we were.
Yeah.
We'll put the link in the description.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
We're gonna surprise Becky and her sons with a map from Great Northern Docks, hand-drawn by our owner, Sam Merriam. I think she's really gonna like it. This is a hand-drawn map by Great Northern Docks. Our owner, Sam Merriam, draws them. And we just wanted to thank you for your hospitality and having us out here, having your sons play for us. It's been a great experience for us.
Thank you, Greta. This is lovely. We'll put this in the cabin. Everyone can see our pond.
And we just really enjoyed our time out here and the install of the dock and then coming back out here to see it in person. It's been a great experience.
Well, for us too. I've never seen such a nice dock. It's wonderful.
And hopefully
right.
next time we pull up with a boat and there'll be some more
Yeah.
summer concerts out here.
Just get a bunch
I
of
hope
boats
so.
around and
We'll party.
yeah. Great.
But yes, thank you again. And
Thank
we
you,
really
guys.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It was nice getting to know you all,
Likewise.
and I'm sure we'll continue the friendship for many years to come, right?
Indeed.
I want to hear more music, guys, so you'll see me for sure.
All right. We better see you front row next concert.
You will. You'll see the smiling face right there.
Perfect.